It's always fun playing together, but today, GooGoo and Gaga are going to have a great adventure. They are going to look for a pirate's treasure. But first, they have to find a bottle.
Ooh.
Hey, what is that squishy thing? That's not a bottle. Look around you. Can you see a bottle? Can you see it? Come closer, a little closer. Almost. Yes! Finally! It's the bottle. And what's inside it? Ooh! Yay! It's a map. A map shows you where to go. If you follow the signs on the map, you will find the treasure. Do you want to find the treasure? So let's look at the map. It looks like a green shape. Can you find it? Look around you. Can you see that green shape?
Ooh.
That's right. You found it. Great. Now, what is the next thing you see on the map? It looks like water and something in the middle of it. You found it. A lake and an island in the middle of it. There's something on the island. Can you see it? What is it? Ooh, this water looks cold and deep. What will you do? Good idea. You can use a raft to cross the water. Be careful! A shark is guarding the island. He looks scary. Gaga has an idea.
Strawberry.
Fast, kids! Get to the island! Yes, you did it! Well, what's inside the box? Show me. Cheese? It looks like Gaga likes cheese very much. But wait, Gaga. Maybe you'll need this cheese later. Yes, put it in the bag. Okay, what is the next stop on the map? It looks like a cave. Now, where could that cave be? Yes, that's it. That is the cave. A very small cave. Look at that mouse. He has a key tied to his tail. Quickly, take the key. Faster, Gaga. Fast, GooGoo. Before he gets inside. Oh no, what will you do now? Gaga has an idea. The cheese! That's right. Very clever, guys. What a jump, GooGoo. Yes, you did it. You took the key. What now? It looks like colored shapes. Let's find them. You found them. Look, a red surprise egg. Wow, these shapes light up and make sounds. Try pressing them in the same order. Oh no! Hey kids, let's help GooGoo and Gaga remember the order of the shapes. Heart, rectangle, star, and flower. heart, rectangle, star, and flower. GooGoo, you did it! Look what's inside the egg. Balloons and some ropes. Let's put it in the bag. We are so close to the treasure. Can you see it? It's way up there at the top of that tower. But first, you have to cross this green swamp. Ew. Very good, Gaga. Now it's GooGoo's turn. Be careful, GooGoo, be careful. Uh-oh. GooGoo fell into the slimy swamp. It's too sticky to get out. Gaga, can you pull GooGoo out? 1, 2, 3. You did it, guys! But the treasure is so high up. How can we get there? What are you doing? A hot air balloon? That is so clever. Arr! My map! It's gone! Oh no! I have to find my map. Where is it? Where is it? It's not here. Oh no! No cheese! Someone has been here and taken it. What about the key? I have to find the key. No key! Someone has taken it as well. Shiver me timbers! The egg is empty too! Oh boy! What's this? Far away over there. It looks like a pirate, and he's looking for his treasure map. Quickly, go up before the pirate catches you. What? Oh no! I'm stuck! Help! Help! Look, the pirate is stuck in the swamp. That's very nice of you guys. You're going back to help him. That's it. Almost. Yay! Thank you so much. You helped me out of the swamp, and you found my map. Now I can show you my treasure, but first you should look like pirates too. Let's go up. Look, guys, it's the treasure chest. But we don't have the key. Yes, you can open it now. Wow! Yummy! Look at all of those candies. What will you do with so many candies? Some for Hug.
Candies! Oh, thank you!
Some for Rainbow Horse. I want. And some for Gigs. Oh, that's nice.
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.